Togotigana no roboti oruo chinga kinsengi ma yaringe koli nyora litko lineneli abantu bali no bolema bugotaiwa gati abantu bali no bolema bweme county ya Kisii nigo besoke mu basole arona koli nyora asebabulire serikali kuba inyora chinchira okwana nabalikia mangana nigo bayichanire obotae walibaga liemeremo asichabisi nonya nelichiko liganitie baewe isano igoro yemia Eric Mawe na Mange
Waukwana chinga kibare kuri inyora litko lineneli abantu bali no bolema bwokoigwa se chinsemo cha culture hall meyo mocho bosongo igatia balia bali no mochando yo nigo bona baorokire gutaiseneka kwabo asekeria buna nigo bagotigwa isiko aranyinge asamabaga yemeremo.
We have many challenges as the deaf community in Kisii County. Sometimes the deaf people try to apply for jobs in the government places, but they are not given that opportunity. The 5% which is required has not been attained.
Manyana bondi go batebire buna chobisi nyinge nigo chitari nabantu bagonchereria gucha somono bwimanyereryo igento gikubairira konyora chinga kichinkongu asokonyora bokoreri asibaorokirie gosemere bune serikali ne chikuboinyora sekere bune gati yabo nigo basomete ko ikebirengo byigoro.
Many companies and government entities don't follow this 5% rule of employment. Yeah, that is, and in so many offices in Kisii, there are no sign language interpreters as well. So that makes the deaf feel like they are not part of the community without sign language interpreters. I hope that the government will accept and give the deaf opportunities, because the deaf are very qualified, they are learned, and they are so much skilled.
Asensemo yende nigo baorokire gosemere kwabo bunebirero byabo bichikoba bigotegererwa samatukare bosio maiga yogo chengera litukero linene.
We should not oppress the deaf as well. We hope that in the hospitals and in all other places we get equal opportunities and accessibility. We urge all offices, all entities and companies to employ sign language interpreters so that it makes it easy for the communication.
Kurwase sebya barayi babantu bari no barema niko bona batebire bunahe gati yaborokigwa barase university nigo bakonyora bokongo asokuboro abantu bakoyonchereria yo guchaso mono bimenyerero aseboiga baborire bateneri ko imokege tambokero kya bwango.
Tumepata habari kupitia kwa wanafunzi haswa hao ambao hawazungumzi na kuelewa kwamba wameitwa shuleni na vioni lakini hawana watafsiri.
Kunaweza tafutwa sign language interpreter aweze kusaidia baadhi na wale wote ambao wanakuja ambao wako na changamoto ya ulemavu ambao ni kutosikia.
Kuripoti ya TV nchini kwa Eric Mawe.